Energetic, fast-paced music starts. From record-breaking excavators to floating cities of steel, these are the 15 largest machines ever built by humankind. Bagger 293. Prelude FLNG NASA Crawler Transporter, Bell AZ 7571, Antonov An 2215, Large Hadron Collider Tunnel, PNH 4100 XPC. Taklift, Fear F60 Conveyor Bridge, Emma Maersk Komatsu, D575A, Big Bertha's Cutter Head-Spinning Caterpillar, 797F, Liebherr LR 3000. Kicking off our list at number 15, a machine that looks like it came straight out of a sci-fi movie, the Bagger 293. This isn't just an excavator, it's the largest land vehicle in the entire world. Imagine a machine so big it has its own weather system. Okay, maybe not. But it's close. Built in Germany in 1995, this thing is a staggering 96 meters high. That's taller than the Statue of Liberty. And it weighs around 14,200 tons. That's the equivalent of over 2,000 adult elephants stacked on top of each other. This thing is an absolute unit. Its only job is to devour the earth. The massive bucket wheel on the front has 18 buckets. Each one can scoop up enough dirt to fill a living room. In a single day, it moves over 240,000 cubic meters of soil and rock, a task that would take an entire army of normal construction equipment weeks to complete. It's used for lignite, or brown coal mining. It crawls across the German landscape at a snail's pace of less than 1 kilometer per hour. When this monster needs to cross a highway, they don't build a bridge over it. They literally cover the road in dirt and drive the bagger right over the top. It's insane. Coming in at number 14, we're leaving land and heading out to sea to witness something truly monumental. The Prelude FLNG. This isn't a ship. It's a floating natural gas facility. It is the largest floating object ever built by humans. To give you an idea of its size, if you stood it on its end, it would be taller than the Empire State Building. It's 600 meters long. It displaces over 600,000 tons of water. That makes it 6 times heavier than the biggest aircraft carriers in the world. This thing is literally a floating city made of steel. Located off the coast of Australia, its purpose is to extract, process, liquefy natural gas directly from underwater fields. This eliminates the need for expensive pipelines running back to shore. It can withstand a Category 5 cyclone. It is designed to stay moored in the same spot for 25 years without ever needing to come back to port. The technology on board is mind-boggling. Chilling gas down to minus 162 degrees Celsius to turn it into liquid form. The sheer scale and ambition of this project are just on another level. It's a testament to engineering that we can build something this massive and have it operate in the middle of the ocean. At number 13, we have a machine that carries humanity's dreams to the stars, the NASA Crawler Transporter. These two machines, affectionately named Hans and Franz, have been in service since 1965, and their job is one of the most important on the planet. They transport rockets, including the gigantic Saturn V for the Apollo missions and the new Space Launch System, moving from the Vehicle Assembly Building to the launch pad at Kennedy Space Center. Without these crawlers, the space race might have looked very different. They are the unsung heroes of space exploration. Each crawler weighs a monstrous 2,721 tons, or about 6 million pounds. They move at a top speed of 1 mile per hour when loaded. For number 12, we're going back to the mines to meet the undisputed king of haul trucks, the Bell AZ 75710. This isn't just a big truck, it's the biggest dump truck in the world by payload capacity. This absolute beast can carry an insane 450 metric tons in a single load. That's like carrying 75 full-grown African elephants in its bed. The truck itself is so big that it needs 8 massive tires. Each tire is taller than a professional basketball player. It's a moving mountain of metal. Built in Belarus and introduced in 2013, the Bell AZ 75710 is powered by not one, but 2 massive diesel engines that together generate over 4,600 horsepower. It's designed for the harshest mining conditions on Earth, hauling rock and ore out of massive open-pit mines. What's even crazier is its all-wheel drive system, unique turning capability, which allows this giant to be surprisingly maneuverable for its size. Driving this thing must feel like you're the captain of a land-based battleship. It's a perfect example of engineering being pushed to its absolute limit to solve a massive problem. At number 11, we look to the skies for a legend, the Antonov An-2-25 Mriya. Mriya means dream in Ukrainian, and for aviation fans, that's exactly what this plane was. It was, without a doubt, the largest and heaviest aircraft ever built. With a wingspan of 88.4 meters, wider than a football field, and a maximum takeoff weight of 640 tons, this plane was in a class all by itself. It was a one-of-a-kind creation, a true giant of the skies that dwarfed every other plane on the runway. Originally designed in the 1980s to transport the Soviet Buran space shuttle on its back, the Mriya later found a new life as the world's ultimate cargo transporter. It could carry loads that were literally impossible for any other aircraft, like wind turbine blades, generators, entire train locomotives. It held over 200 world records, including for airlifting the heaviest single piece of cargo. Sadly, this magnificent aircraft was destroyed in 2022, but its legacy as the biggest plane to ever fly will live on forever. It was a true masterpiece of aerospace engineering. Coming in at number 10, a machine so big you can't even see it all at once. And France, this isn't a machine in the traditional sense. It's the largest and most powerful particle accelerator in the world. Its purpose is to smash particles together at nearly the speed of light to unlock the fundamental secrets of the universe, like discovering the Higgs boson particle. It's one of the most ambitious scientific experiments ever conceived. The LHC is a massive ring with a circumference of 27 kilometers. That's right, a 27-kilometer-long machine buried 100 meters beneath the ground. Thousands of superconducting magnets cooled to a temperature colder than outer space are used to steer beams of protons around the ring. The energy generated inside this machine is immense, creating tiny fireballs that replicate conditions just moments after the Big Bang. Building this required international collaboration on an unprecedented scale, making it not just a mega machine, but a global monument to scientific curiosity. From earth-moving giants to ocean-crossing behemoths, these machines prove there's no limit to human innovation. We've seen a 27-kilometer-long atom smasher a floating city of steel and an excavator the size of a building. Each one of these 15 machines isn't just a record breaker, it's a physical answer to an impossible question. How do you move a rocket? How do you dig a tunnel under a city? How do you power the world? You dream bigger, you engineer smarter, and you build something the world has never seen before. These colossal creations are more than just steel and circuits. They are the literal building blocks of our modern world. They mine the resources we need, transport the goods we use, and help us reach for the stars. The ambition and dedication required to design, build, and operate these giants is absolutely incredible. It took thousands of people, decades of research, and billions of dollars to bring these mechanical titans to life, and they have completely reshaped our planet in the process. They are a testament to what we can achieve when we work together on a massive scale. So the next time you see a big truck or a tall crane, remember the Bagger 288, the Prelude FLNG, and the Mriya. Remember that for every challenge we face, there's an engineer somewhere dreaming up a machine big enough to solve it. The future is built by giants, both human and mechanical. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to tell me which machine blew your mind the most down in the comments. Like, comment, and subscribe for more incredible stories of human achievement.